light.
It just
dot
be
like
sent
that.
a dot.
A
So
dot like
all
that.
of the lights from the sun is channeling through
In
this
the
magnifying glass, and it is directed to one point. Hi Avika,
Hello.
what are you doing? What is this?
This is like the heat comes together and it makes a bright light. After some time the paper's gonna burn. That's how hot the light is.
Well, what are the things you have taken? Can you tell us?
We took a magnifying glass, a paper and some stones to keep the paper still.
Okay. Why have you kept the magnifying glass like this?
So that the light gets into one group.
Okay, so one group or a one point, is it?
Yeah.
So the magnifying glass is getting the lights from the sun, and then it is channeling the light through this magnifying glass into a dot to one point. Okay. And after some time, what's going to happen?
The paper's gonna burn and there's be a hole in it.
Oh, okay. So why will it burn?
Because there's a lot of heat in that dot.
Oh, okay. So it's like too much of energy directed at one point that creates a lot of heat, and heat then creates fire, is it? Okay.
Yeah.
So we will wait. So Avika, what you've done, you've just put a matchstick there, is it?
Yeah. Match.
You put a matchstick, huh?
Of course.
So we also got Ashwi.
Hello.
So what you've done is you put a matchstick, and can you see it? The matchstick is getting really
Reddish.
let's see, it's gonna go. It should
It should.
ignite any moment.
So like.
Do you think so? It just happened. Wow, it just happened, is it?
Yeah, just
Wow.
happened.
Just that was really cool.
It
It just burned the matchstick. So all the kids, we would say that you should have somebody at your supervision, right? Like
Yeah.
it was me sitting here doing with them. So do not do on your own. This is a really good experiment. So with this magnifying glass, we just put a piece of paper, and we were just channeling the whole of this
light.
the light into the center.
So it should be a light.
It just
dot
be
like
sent a dot.
A
So
dot like
all
that.
of the lights from the sun is channeling through
In
this magnifying glass, and it is directed to one point.
1 point.
And we just put a matchstick, and
There.
it just ignited the matchstick. So
So.
it's a crazy cool experiment, but we would say you should always be supervised
By
by
some
elderly.
adult. Thank you for watching, and please subscribe